Mastering polite requests. Combining please with could, would, and may. Hello there, language learners. In today's lesson, we will be delving deep into the world of polite expressions. More specifically, we'll learn how to effectively use please in combination with could, would, and may to make our requests sound more polite and respectful. Remember, mastering these expressions is key to sounding more natural and courteous in English conversations. First off, let's talk about how we can use please with could. The phrase, "Could you please?" is often used to make polite requests. For example, you might say, "Could you please pass me the salt?" Or, "Could you please close the door?" Remember, the placement of please can change the tone of your sentence. "Could you please?" sounds a little more urgent than, "Could you pass me the salt, please?" But both are still polite ways to make a request. Moving on to would. Another polite way to make a request is by using the phrase, "Would you please?" Similar to could, this phrase is also polite but often implies a bit more formality or seriousness. For example, "Would you please consider my application?" Or, "Would you please take a seat?" Again, like with could, you can also place please at the end of your request. For example, "Would you turn off the lights, please?" Lastly, let's explore using please with may. This combination is slightly more formal and is often used in more traditional or formal settings. An example might be, "May I please have your attention?" Or, "May I borrow your pen, please?" Remember, may is usually used when we are asking for permission, so combining it with please can make your request sound very polite and respectful. And there you have it, learners. Today we learned how to combine please with could, would, and may to make polite requests. By understanding these combinations, you can enhance your conversational English and sound more polite and respectful. Practice using these expressions in your daily English conversations to master them. We hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.